Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the Rahul Jaswal from the Naksh Carpet, and in the previous video we will show you the 4 technique by which we are doing the rug back finishing. In this video we will see how to we finish the edge of the rug and then how to we trim and carve the rugs. I will make a sample piece for you. We do the outdoor rug finishing. This is the PP mesh, so this is the outdoor rug, and we finish this with the edge of the twill tape. We use this pre-glue twill tape and finish our this rug. You can see how neat and clean this is. You can see the edges of it, so neat and clean. And so let's see how do we do this back finishing process. So let we start the finishing of this rug. First of all, we cut the edge of fabric with the 1 inch or the less than 1 inch. Due to the extra gluing on the fabric, the yarns of the threads of this fabric are not tearing out. You can see the clean edges. If we not gluing at the edge, so this type of finishing are happened. Now we cut from the sides. The third step is we fold it back side like that and place this pre-glue twill tape over the fabric edge. Now we go for the next step. Uneven surface we can trim with our trimmer. Just simply gently and you can see that all the up and downs of our surface are going to be symmetrical. So this way I complete the finishing process. First we bend the edge, apply the twill tapes at the edges, then trim the surface. If you have any specific design, you can trim this with the trimmers. And you can see how beautiful edge and backing are finished, and the surface is very neat and clean. You can try this technique at your home. Thank you for watching.